Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Uh, the Teach Me to Fish FX, top of the morning, family. Here, let's continue looking through these charts. So everything is crossed to the downside today, from what I'm seeing, looking at. So yeah, just doing a little pre-market charting. Just we created new ranges to the downside yesterday, trying to get those, just get the tops and bottoms marked from them. If we can come back to the low from yesterday, I like the idea of a bounce from there on a lot of things. I think the Q's has a little bit lower it can go from yesterday. Hey, Sue's top of the morning. Non-so 5883. Good morning, family. There, let's see. So Meta. I'm gonna just throw it. Let me just throw alerts on all these lows. I'm gonna go through the Mag 7. Let me go back to the top real quick. I think SPY. Yeah, I'm trying to hold off a little bit. Timothy, good morning. Ebby, QTG, good morning. Jaden, good morning. Tech Override, top of the morning, family. Yo, we got the clouds out in Dallas, and I'm actually kind of happy about it. Petite Valley, good morning. All right, we got 5 minutes till market open. Still trying to. Okay. I would like the Qs down here at this level. Here, I didn't even. Oh, IWM looks like they did all right yesterday, or they're doing even better today. Oh no, their range is kind of non-existent, so won't pay too much attention to them. Robinhood hadn't moved too much. Current range on Robinhood. But we're probably 96 up to about 116. Here, let's see. The Nunes Familia, top of the morning. D Scurv, good morning. Will the CNA, top of the morning. You said Rivian before earnings? I have no idea. I'm not the one you want to ask about that. We can probably look at it later in the day. Right now, I want to look at the Mag 7, just kind of see what's going on there real quick. Apple's actually in a bullish range. Here, let's slide this down to 312. So Apple is one of the few that is actually bullish, and the range is actually from 312 to 336. If for some reason Apple comes to 312, that is the clearest money. A lot of other things are kind of pointed down. Ken, good morning. Max, good morning. D Scurv, you said SPY 730 today. There were stuff drawn there. Right now, we do have a range on the SPY. I think we could form some liquidity here, but range on the SPY, looking 4 hour, that's what I'm going to be playing off today. Kind of slow things down, be more patient. I'm operating on the 4 hour. Is 750 is top end. As of right now, the bottom is 735. Should we come hit this 735, we will at least get a big enough move to make some money from it. But is 730 on the table? Depends on how fast we move today, I would say. Here, I need to switch to the 6 charts. We can open up in 2 minutes. Shelma, good morning. Dominic, good morning. Carla, good morning. Yeah, let's get this bread. So we're back in the small account today, and then like after, I'll be looking for just whatever I see is kind of available to go. Bro, what's this iPad not? Oh, there we go. Here, let's see. Monica, top of the morning. Yeah, we open up in 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's see. Lavenderella, good morning. M-Sense, good morning. 1 for 4 this week, not looking good. Been quitting at 10 a.m. I've I've taken some L's this week. I've taken W's on the day, but like, I think I'm slightly down on the week. I don't know. Like, I don't know how I am number wise. It's like when I've been winning, it hasn't been like crazy. I've been needing to cut my profits sooner this week. All right, so market's open. I don't know why. Okay, hold up. Let's see. So we're pushing down to start the day. I'm gonna take this 4 hour to a 15 minute. I know where we are. We're crossed to the downside. We'll pull back to start the day. If we can get the Qs at 686, I kind of like that to kind of try to hop in on a bounce. Here, somebody, the Nunez familiar. How is the challenge going for options? So we got two going. We got the 1K to 100, and we got the snowball challenge. The snowball challenge, we're doing what we need to do. We we're we're kind of ahead, but we're not ahead because all the money we get ahead, I just take out. So we're where we need to be. First 2 weeks of the snowball challenge. Hey, good money. I'll have the recap out either tonight or tomorrow. All right, let's. Marcus, good morning, and good morning. Bonging costs, cause I'm something. Good morning, Setiendere. Good morning, Tara. Good morning. Okay, all right. So we're moving down to start the day. We're here below pre-market support. Here. Hold up. This might be there's like a little support here. I'm gonna just wait though. The trend is down, so I'm not gonna try to do anything right here. If I trade anything to the upside, it's gonna be at a stronger level. So that would be something like a 735 to the upside on the SPY. Off topic, but how's the running journey? We were killing the run. So right now, I've started trying to like run faster, like more going to the track and doing sprints and stuff. But I have like behind my knee kind of a injury, so I think for maybe like the past week I've kind of been taking it easy, like still lifting and stuff, but I'm gonna take like 2 to 3 weeks off of it. So we'll see what happens, but I'm just just trying to, but really build myself more resilient. It's like I used to run like my best split in the 400 in high school was like a high 48, low 49. Actually, I think 48 might be boosting, like a low 49, and part of me thinks I can get back to it, but it's like I haven't ran fast or anything like that for over 10 years. and that was kind of put in perspective for me. So my body and my bones and like ligaments, it's like I've gotten the strength back up that I need to run that, but my bones and my ligaments, mostly I would say my ligaments and tendons and stuff, have not adjusted to the work that need to be done. So I need to kind of let my body heal before it can sustain the work it needs to do that. So I'm taking a few weeks off, like I'm still exercising, but not with that stuff. All right, hold up. All right, so what's going on here? I'm gonna take a Tesla and Google to a 4 hour. I do want to still continue going through other stocks and looking at their looking for good levels. But here, let's see. M-Sense. Oh man, what is a 115 split? Never mind. Let me ask. This is what I get for asking. Oh, that is quite a split. 1 to 150 split. Asking a carpenter about stocks. Hey, if the carpenter wasn't Jesus, bro, I wouldn't be asking for advice unless it's on carpeting. Reverse. Hey, that does not sound good, bro. That's like, yo, you got 150 shares or something, and now it's becoming one. They had to come down from that. All right, Caction X Radio. What's Tesla looking like? It's looking pretty stagnant right now. Pretty stagnant. I think we got some data in maybe like 10 minutes. Let's see. Oh, the data's like, I saw it this morning. We got services PMI and flash manufacturing PMI, but doesn't look like there's much going on. SoFi trying for that level for potential calls. Yeah, if the carpenter would not, hey, for real. Hey, Jesus was a carpenter. Hey, you ask the carpenter about carpentry. But beyond that, hey, when it comes to stocks, bro, if he was someone I'd ask about stocks, he'd be doing stocks all day. Or stocks would be his main thing. Hood is 90. Oh, Hood's at 96. Hold up. Hood, that's a buy level. Hold up. Yeah. So this. Yeah. Hold up. This might be it. Let me take a quick look. Yeah. If Hood's here, I do want to like wait and see. Here, I'm gonna change this middle to a Hood hike and ashy real quick. I don't want to just like, since it's a different account, I don't want to just like jump in. But I think this is a good level for where is it? Where's Hike and Ashy? Where are they? Oh, there we go. Like, I think this is a good level to pick up Robinhood. Let me take this to a 15. Yeah, that might be something right there. I'm gonna look at the gamma exposure first. Like, I'm a little, actually, hold on. I don't have to go all budget. Hold up. I like this level for here. I don't need to use my whole account. Wait, how do I? Bro, where's Robinhood? Bro, where's it at? Oh, I think I gotta add it. having some technical difficulties at the moment. Okay, it's still moving down right now. But where we at? All right. Okay. So we're kind of selling off right now. Let me get a bird's eye view on Robinhood real quick. Okay. So this is a 4 hour. Okay. So Robinhood is at. Yeah, I'm liking Robinhood. Hold up. But yeah, I'm actually liking Robinhood. Next level, should anything happen, would be about like 92. So I'm gonna bring it back down. What's the 1 hour looking like? This level is still looking pretty strong. What's the 30 minute looking like? Honestly, still showing up on the 30 minute. What's the 15 minute looking like? All right. So I still like this level. Hold on, let me see it on the 5 too. Since I'm really doing that. Yo, I still like it here too. You know what? Hold up. Still pulling down. Oh, let me check. Let me check trend. Oh, I didn't check Heikin-Ashi real quick. Hold up. Or not Heikin-Ashi, gamma exposure. Oh yeah. Hold up. Yeah, we're getting into it. All right. So, oh, price kind of jumped back up again. Contracts already trying to turn around. Price hadn't even like jumped up like that. Bro, okay. They playing with the contracts. I was about to get at like 60 cents, but I just grabbed a hood $97 zero DTE. Yeah, I grabbed that like right there. All right, here let me type that for y'all real quick. I paid 75 cents a share, so I grabbed hood, $75 call, zero DTE. There we go. Brandon, the strike price is 75. Oh, hold up. I didn't call the strike price. Strike price is 97. Sorry, hold up. $97 97 hood call. So hood 97 call 0 DT. My bad, y'all. Yeah, so we'll watch that. Oh, it's cheaper now. This is about the price I was looking at it at. I was about to grab it for like 60 cents. But yeah, I think we can get some movement on that. I feel right now I feel like pretty chill and feel pretty good about that. I think this can at least hit 98. So I'm cool with that. All right, so let me look at some of these chats. Cause yeah, I was on the analysis. I'm like, yo, what's going on? But yeah, what kind of watching? Okay, already trying to move up a little bit. Let me watch this. We gotta protect the account and also yeah. So wait, let me make sure it's in the right account. Sometimes I get things in the wrong account. Oh yeah, it's the right account. Account up 12% today. Moving forward, let me go back to the contract. But where's the contract? Oh, there it is. All right, so contract up 25%. Let's go. Up 28% on that contract. Um, yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can get a turnaround on the Heikin-Ashi. Called that out. Sarav, appreciate that, man. Yeah, that was a. Oh, Macy Mayo, good morning. These skirts that honestly I think we're primed for more downside. Honestly, I do too. I'm a little bit more guarded today, but I'm glad we were able to find this one for the account because that one actually looked good. Shout out to Sarav. I hope I'm saying your name right. You said 740 spy calls will print. I had some of those yesterday. I only made a little bit on them, but yeah, today might be the day. They expired today. I was like, yo, I'll get back in them, but I need a clear direction first. All right, let's see. Oh, Brandon, also good morning. Okay, let's see. Photo, it was a 97 call on Hood. I made a mistake the first time. I feel awake, like I feel good, but yeah, 97 was the one I got. Oh, you said out in Cambodia. Are you America or American? Or like, what do you? Oh, okay. Contract is in the money, up 46% on it, up 52% on it. Let's see if we can get a move on this Heikin-Ashi. If we do, this could be a good push for the account today. We'll see. I'm not trying to get too. Oh, and the landscapers are back every Friday. Every Friday. All right, up 29% on that contract. No longer in the money. Honestly, it's looking like $100 is a possibility, and it doesn't even seem like anything like too crazy right now. So up like 34%. look at that. Let's see. All right, so up 54% on that. Here, let's see. Hey, Letty, good morning. You said, did I buy? Okay, so if you hear me, if I enter a position, it's always going to be a buy. Um, I'm not selling to open these calls. I know that's a video I made a long time ago, but that's not what I do. If I sell options on contracts, it's something. Ooh, hey, points to the landscaper. There was like some trash in my yard. Homie just picked it up. Yo, shout out. Yes. God bless. All right, so up 45% on this. Bro, if I wasn't on stream right now, I'd go out and give homie a glass of water or lemonade. But luckily, God is blessing with the clouds today. All right, hey. Also, we are approaching another level where it looks good for entry on the queues. So this what 686.78, that's looking good. All right, so we're back to break even on the Robinhood call. Brandon says buy big red candle. Yeah, I think we're about where we opened up today. Still slightly in the green, but whoa, what was that? Bro, that sounded like a horse. All right, so we're moving lower on Robinhood a little bit. Or I get kind of. Okay, so hey, Q's hit that level. Hey, they said some liquidity the other day. This is supposedly the good point to buy in. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna hold on what I'm doing. Like hold on where I'm at. But yo, these good level. This looks like a good level to buy on the Qs. Like if you're trying to buy contracts, QQQ, then yo, it seems like a good time. And Angela, she said horses in the yard. I don't know. No horses in the yard, but yeah. All right, so we're pushing down some more. So now we'll kind of see what happens on the 15-minute. Wait for some confirmation because this is on the 4-hour. This is a big level. This is a big level on the 4-hour. Shoot, we still got Robinhood kind of doing this thing too to the downside. So I'm waiting. You said what about SoFi? So SoFi at the moment, SoFi's at a level of liquidity too. So there are a lot of buyers at this level. Honestly, it looks like it could push back up to at least 1705. I don't think it'll happen like right here, right now, this moment. But I'll say like within the next hour or so, I wouldn't be surprised if we're like starting to push back up. I think for the next 15 to 30 minutes, they might try to trick us and make us think they're going to go down further, like on the Qs and on like other stocks. I think they want us to think we're coming down. I don't know. We'll see. It's like we are below gamma flip. Let me see. So we can today can still be a sellout day. It doesn't have to be. That's why I didn't use more than like half my account on the Robinhood. So I took that early entry on the Robinhood. I think it's a good contract, but not always right with my trade. So we'll have to see. What's going on here? All right. Did you see Coinbase now going to use XRP? I don't know anything about that. If I'm being real, uh, I really like I it's possible I've seen it, but honestly I don't know. Like I don't know enough about it. I Like the only money I invest in crypto is just like whenever I get free money, I'll leave it in there. Like sometimes I'll get referrals. Back in the day, I used to like mine crypto, but no, I don't like put my own money in it, so I don't like concern myself too much. But I know a lot of people like XRP, like I know Imsense loves it. All right, B Skirts at up 40% on SPY puts. Yeah, we might be on the way to 735. Spy is Spy did not come back to its low. Like I think Spy still has all this. So here, let me see how down on this Robinhood I am real quick. So now down, it was up like 50%, down 46% on the Robinhood. Yeah, those contracts are 41 cents a share. So I'm gonna watch this, kind of nurse this. I don't wanna don't wanna deploy what could potentially save the account too early. I'm gonna wait and let the day settle. I also still think this Robinhood can do its thing, but just how it's starting out right now, it's not building my confidence, but I still think it's a good look. If the account were bigger, I'd probably average down a little bit now, but nah, we gotta keep this challenge alive. Here, let's see. You said Apple may be a good play for a call over, bro. If Apple pulls down to 312, yo, it's money on the day. I don't really like the range on Apple. Apple's too close to the higher end of its range. So right now I'm not loving it. All right, so I do see we're pulling back on the dollar though on the day. I can visibly see it. So we might get a turnaround. Um, what was I saying? Dang, Hood dropped like a sack of potatoes. Cloak chaotic. Yo, Hood need to flip. Hey, relax, relax. Hey, it's like, hey, we're in the market's been open 27 minutes. Yo, we got hours of this. Yo, slow it down. Here, let me put things into perspective for you for the account. Hey, it's always gonna be hard when you're starting with $100. So I think the account started the day up, or started the account at 150 cent or $156.90, and looks like it hit a high of like 189.86. I don't know how it's hitting these cents. Actually, I kind of do, but yo, like with that 150, or wait, hold up, what was it, 156, just under 157 we started with. That wasn't even half of the account. um I think it'll be all right. Like whatever's in there, Like the money I have $81.86 to put towards another contract to save it. Yo, it'll like we can get it back with that if need be. Just gotta be patient. Usually the first 15 to 30 minutes, sometimes first hour of the market, is setting the footprint. As the day goes on, that footprint's going to be set, and then we will gain a little more clarity, figure out what's right. It's like we'll move ahead and probably be like, man, I should have just bought some at 41 cents when it was 41 cents. Now it's 54 cents. But also, I don't want to chase. This account is a cash account. And for some reason, when I tried to change it to a margin account, it wouldn't let me. So I only have this trade, and I can make one more trade. So because of that, I got to be like protected with it. All right, so another candle. I'll say Robinhood's not too vertical with the way it's pulling back, but it'll be good to see some kind of moving above this 13 EMA. You said data coming out. Yeah, we got data coming out right now. PMI. I think it's flash services and manufacturing or something like that. Yeah, so yeah, a little bit of data coming out. What was that? You said what's the play on Robinhood? I grabbed a $97 call. It's currently at the price I was trying to get it at when I first entered, but I got it at like 75 cents a share. It's currently at like 56 cents a share. What do I think about prop firm trades? I don't like it. I don't like prop firms. I don't think they're good for trading. I've done it, got approved for an account before. Did not get payout just because it's like I traded the way I needed to get approved, and then I went back to trading my way, which still makes money, but they're like drawdown rules. I can't remember. I think it's like if you draw down a certain the one I got kicked out on, it was like if you draw down a certain percentage on a trade, even if that trade doesn't take you over the amount, it's like, oh, you get kicked out. So it was a trade where I couldn't lose like a certain amount of money. I was going small, and then so it's like usually the amount of rules and stuff they're not favorable. The odds are heavily stacked in their favor. But no, I personally think so. To me, and like just with the lessons I've learned in life, money that comes fast flees just as fast. That is something that is stated in the Bible. There are also other, like if you're not religious, it's also in a lot of other texts. It's like the faster you make money, typically the faster you lose it. Good examples are the majority of people who play the lottery. They usually lose it like mega millions, lose it all within a couple years. So it's like there's something to be said about the discipline of growing wealth slowly. And it's like whenever you get it slowly, you're better at maintaining it. Because there's the concept of a financial thermostat. It takes time to raise that thermostat. Like say you get to a certain level, it's like say you go from having like being used to seeing like $50 in your bank account, all of a sudden you got like $200,000 in your bank account. Your thermostat is likely still set at $50, so you'll likely blow that money because you're not used to just seeing that $200 there like that. Even though you're like probably like thinking, hey, I need to keep this money or I need to not lose this money. you're used to seeing that 50. But if you like slowly grind it up over time, you'll get used to it at kind of like more reasonable intervals. You'll likely be a lot smarter with it. It'll likely stick around. Here, let's see. You said it was 31 cents now. It's FFAI. I feel like I remember that. I'm not sure. Or maybe that was something else. There was like an FF something. But that sounds like something that I remember. It said love the perspective. Here, let's see. Hold on. All right, so we're still kind of moving in this here. Let me take the dollar down. Hold up, what is? Oh, my cloud just started doing something. Hold up. I was like, yo, what is this that just hopped up on my screen? Hey, Claude's trying to do a task, trying to give me some money. So we'll see what Claude does. All right, let's see. Hey Matt, enough love, bro. Question: are you trading 6 at once, and do you? Oh no, I'm not. At first, I was wondering why you said 6 at once. No, I'm trading just one at a time. Right now, I have a contract on Robinhood, but these other charts give me insight on different aspects of the market. So by me seeing like right here, US dollar index right here, if I see how the dollar is moving, in a sense it's kind of an indicator on where price can go. Like if I see the dollar dropping, I would lean towards the price of stocks going up. So that's that. These two charts right here are Heiken Ashley candles. They're kind of like momentum candles, so they're a little different. So both of these charts are both Robinhood. They're just two different perspectives. So I'm just getting more insight on what I'm in. And then these up here are the SPY, which is the broader market, kind of. And this is the Qs, which is just tech. And hey, actually, it looks like the Qs is playing out. Like, it looks like we might get our sweep. It's a little early to tell, but looks like we might. So, it's looking good. Matthew, did you already give analysis on? So yeah, Monica SoFi. I think it was 1650 that SoFi was at a good level of support short term. I think it still is. Like, yeah, right here we got some liquidity. I would not be surprised to see this move up to at least 17. I just got an alert on Rivian. I remember someone was asking about it. So Rivian is at 1629. They are moving below their 200 moving average. And yeah, they're crossed to the downside. So whoever was asking about Rivian, technical analysis wise, it just started a downtrend. It's getting more downy. Could see some potential relief at about 1544 or so, but I'll really kind of probably not take interest to like 1450 or so. Could make a new life down. Letty, I'm so afraid of trading SPY. It moves too fast for me each time I try to. So right now, yeah, SPY does move fast. The market environment right now for things is pretty tough. Like, I like to take swing trades, but I feel like the speed and pacing of things has picked up. A lot of the swing trades kind of occur more in the after hours now, so you can't take advantage of them. And then, like as for day trades, yeah, they move the pace. They like to really pick up the pace and then really slow it down, and it can be difficult to grasp. Like this week, not one of my best weeks. I think I'm pretty like flat or neutral on the week, but also I think today can make a difference as well. But SPY looks like it's starting to look better. Let me take this back to the dollar up here. Yeah, we're trying to recover a little bit. Well, Robinhood is still down, but yeah, the Qs at that level I'm talking about is doing its thing, seemingly on the 4 hour. SPY didn't necessarily come anything. SPY is actually testing resistance. Let me check out the Qs as well. So Qs doesn't really have the resistance till about like 690. The SPY is kind of there, so we'll see. Robinhood is coming to its 13 EMA, so we'll see if it can take that out, but we'll see. Hey, very welcome, man. Game 687. Holding Rivian option right now for earnings next week. I'll say I like shares more, but I hope they go crazy for you. I don't think they will, but I hope they do. Like it's always a possibility. I'm gonna have to get a new car, probably by the end of the year. Or it doesn't necessarily need to be a new car, but I'm gonna have to get a car. My wife and I share one, but yeah, I'm gonna need another car. I think it's time to have a car. I've been bro, it's nice. It's nice only having one car, and most of my life is I spend a lot of time at home, cause I work here. But yeah, it's nice only having one car insurance, one payment, all that good stuff. It's nice. But yeah, it's about time to mix another one into the fold. Sometimes I gotta do things. Hold up. All right, let's see how things are looking. Let me take a look at some different gamma exposures. Let's see how Google's looking today. All right, so everything I'm seeing is kind of has a magnet level to it, but we're above the magnet level, but we're also below the gamma flip. All right, Gauss Maston in current Robinhood option trade. What is the expected stop loss and target I'm looking for? So I'm looking for momentum. It's like I wish it were as easy to say what the target is, but the target moves. So while I'm monitoring the trade, it moves. It's like initially it's like, hey, I think it can go to 100, like a actual Robinhood today, but we'll have to see. Like I have to watch the behavior of the candles and the way it moves. And I need to watch the pace of things. Cause it's like, I'd like to say, hey, like the low that it's put in today, that is probably near my stop loss, but it's gonna depend on the pace that it moves. Like if it moves down really fast, like say, I don't know, it spends like in 5 minutes, it drops to $90 and then comes right back up. I'm not gonna say 90 is my stop loss because we often have these drops in the market that are just trying to stop people out of trades. And it's like because I know and understand that, I'm not just gonna be like, oh, if it drops to $94, I'm out of the trade. I gotta watch the behavior and see kind of how it goes. It's the same, bro. Been driving the same one for 10 years. Got me through. I wish, bro. I didn't have anything that reliable, especially not in college, not in high school. Like, I have had a car with through high school, but bro, I had to get something newer to actually dude, shoot, I think it was like 20, maybe 2022. I was like, yo, every car I've had has died on me. I've paid more in repairs than it would have cost to like make payments monthly on a new car or a newer car. Once I kind of thought of it like that, I'm like, yo, newer car also has a warranty, and like just like because I tracked my expenses and I saw like how much I was actually spending on oil changes and just actually all the little repairs and stuff I would need, I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting a new car. It's like that warranty, yo, it's like with the payments and everything, it was worth it. These days, it might be a little different. Prices are going like insane, but bro, back in 2022, hey, it was good when I bought it. Here, let's see, where's. But yo, I'm glad that's still working for you. Glad that is still working for you. All right, so it looks like some things have found some resistance. Honestly, we're not really getting any movement on the market as of right now. Shelmont, I have a Toyota Avalon, bought a brand new in 2001. Okay, so older cars, they build older cars better than they build newer cars. These companies used to have hearts and be like, oh yeah, let's have something like, oh, let's have something that'll be good for our name. Like, I feel like I don't know which one. I feel like it might be. Is it Ford? Something is like, oh, built strong to last long. Like, car companies used to be like that. Now it's like, yo, we got you a brand new car, and it's coming off the lot with problems, and you're probably gonna need to come in here and get repairs like 50,000 times. I hear all these people with new cars just need repairs all the time, which is absolutely insane. Um, yeah, they don't build them like they used to. So like the older cars, while they're not as fuel efficient, you at least not you don't you still get to drive them. You said it's a flex not having a car note. Here, let's see. You said cooked on that hood call down 3K. Bro, how much money did you put on it? Hey, I'm trading with $100 account. I don't think it's cooked, but one thing I do want y'all to understand that I'm not sure y'all do not understand is when people buy options contracts, that affects the price of where the stock is going to go. So if you have a lot of people buying at one level, there are people in the market, like they're called market makers, who profit. They're the people who sell us the contracts. So it's like if they sell a bunch they could have had it projected like, oh, Robinhood's going to go up to $100. But if a bunch of people buy calls for $97 or whatever, it's like, oh, we have too many contracts at $97. They're going to be like, okay, price might still need to come to 100, but we got too many people in this contract, so we need to tank it first. Or sometimes if they have so many people in there, they're just like, man, we gotta tank this, or we might have to push this back because there is too many people. They don't want to pay out the money that would be associated with it. So it's cool when you find a contract and there's not a bunch of people in it, but like whenever you get a lot of orders, like think if a bunch of people decided, hey, I'm going to take a contract that is, oh, I picked it up for $70 or $75, and I'm gonna put, shoot, I'm gonna buy like 50 of them. If we have a lot of people doing that, that's a lot of people focused on one contract, and then there is going to be incentive for them to keep it below that. So this is part of the reason why I need to continue to watch and monitor whenever I get like zero DTEs, because the number of people buying contracts or the number of contracts purchased uh like does affect things. So here, let me check the gamma exposure on Robinhood. We got we right now this $95 level is a magnet. So it kind of depends on like what we do here. Like should we get like a comfortable close below this 95? Like we're below 95, but should it be like a comfortable like yo, like a solid close below, then we might need to get out of there. But also, yeah, the 3K, that's yo, that's not small potatoes. If I were being honest, I probably would have, if I were throwing money like that in this contract, I would have gotten not the same contract I got. I probably would have got a week out. Here, let me see. You said we're a small amount. The algo doesn't flag orders. It's like how many? Here, let's look at the open interest on it real quick. Let's see. So to start the day, what's the 90? Well, we got the 97 call strike. So to start the day, for the call strike we had, it had an open interest of 228 contracts for the calls. All right, I got one contract. I'm gonna assume you got like 50. So that's pushing that up. I don't know if anybody else got any, but it makes a difference. Cause it's like, oh, this level was safe. Nobody was looking at it. But also, you don't know how many other people did that too. But I still think it's all right. We'll be all right. It's things are looking good, or not great, but it's like it's still looking hopeful. Still looking hopeful. All right, let's see. Wait, what is this? Getting on that. Hold on, I missed some comments. I didn't miss them. I just haven't addressed them. We're going slow enough where I can. I have a Toyota Avalon. I bought a. Okay, wait, you did. In 2022, I had a Camry, and I loved the Camry. It was like one of the first ones they had with all-wheel drive, and that was when they kind of got the newer design where it actually looked kind of cool. And honestly, I'd still have it if it weren't for the fact that bro, I went to Europe and I didn't know how long I was going to be there. It was it seemed kind of bro, it was indefinite. I was there for like 6 months, no, 8 months. So I was like, yo, we gotta sell the car beforehand. So then came back, got a Tesla. Tesla was the Tesla I have was like the best deal for a car I could find. And honestly, no regrets. No regrets. Bought a used Tesla. It was like 20K. I think it had like 70,000 miles on it. And oh, it's all good. Bro, only thing I've had to do in bro, I think it's been like 2.5 years. Hey, we're pushing up on the SPY 740. I know somebody called that out earlier. Hey, so good stuff. Good stuff with that SPY 740. Yeah, we up off the bottom. Hey, we're above the EMAs on the 13 too. Let's see if we can get to this 743 or 7. Yesterday I was looking for like 744, 745, but looks like we set some liquidity on the 15 at 742.55. It'd be cool to get that. But first, let's get to 741 first. See how we do there. Here. You said it's a flex not having a note, but I'm gonna have to. Bro, that's how this market is, bro. Yeah, I have a car note. I do not want one, but it's like, yo, I have one. But also, I see the prices people are paying these days. I'm like, oh my lord, like, bro, people paying. I know some people paying rent prices for a car that doesn't even drive well. A car with problems, not even new. Sherry, hey, what's up, Sherry? Will Theta be killing the contract? Um, Honestly, it probably will. Like if they keep it at this price, if we don't get any movement, yeah, it probably will. Like one thing I'll say, I'm the whole time we're on this stream, like I'm cool with staying in this contract. But what's going on? Yeah, I'm cool with staying in this contract the whole time we're on the stream. Unless it like goes down, but it's like sometimes it's just like this in the morning. If it gets cheap enough though, I don't see. Ooh, hey, this contract's down 24%. If I can see us like cross over this area with some momentum, it's like I might be down to get some more get another one, but or if I see this dollar start falling, might be down to get it, but as of right now, I'm not really seeing anything just saying, "Hey, we're going to move today." So it's kind of like at the price that it's at right now, kind of chilling. This should this go bad, this would be the first L I've taken in this account, but it's not anything that's not recoverable. So I'll stay on while I do get it. You said wow hood. You said what car am I looking into getting? Bro, honestly, bro, these EVs are kind of nice. They're very nice. Like I really enjoyed not needing any repairs, oil changes, or anything these past 2 years. I've had to get new tires once on my Tesla, but other than that, bro, no repairs or anything. Bro, it's so clean, so clean. Um, Bro, I charged it at my crib. It's nice. Road trips, bro. If I'm going on a road trip, I'll rent a car, but or if it's like a in Texas road trip, I'll just make some stops at the supercharger. But bro, I'm looking probably some sort of EV. Hey, hire big crew. Appreciate you, family. Wait, weren't you already? I'm confused, but hey, appreciate you, family. All right, let's see. Where we at? Bro, we're stagnating right now in the market. But it's like it keeps looking like the dollar's gonna come down, but then every time it does, it like moves back up. Okay. I'm back and I missed you. Hey, welcome back, family. Welcome back. Today the trade it's stagnating. It's kind of sideways. We'll say it's a slow morning, but we'll start. We'll see. All right. Bought a $15 call on SoFi. I think I bought it too early. Yeah. Let's right now. We haven't gotten like any real movement on anything since we've opened. Like there have been like small moves, but nothing that's like, hey, this is an obvious move. And that's sometimes the market does that. Like if it's one of those days, you just have to hang the hat up and take the L for the week. It's part of trading. Like taking L's is part of it. It's like we'll get back at it again, try again next week. If I see some kind of juicy setup, if we pull back to some juicy levels, like I have the levels like charted. They'll go off for me, but if we don't get a pullback to a level where I think something can happen, then I don't know. And it'll just break you down to build it up. Or they may keep it at a certain price point. Hey, that is 100% something they do. Yeah, they'll let you build up the contracts, and they're like, all right, we got too many contracts at these levels. We're not trying to pay out this money. We're just gonna make it go sideways. Like notice, hey, Robinhood right now, like it's down, but it's only from where I bought in. Where's my mouse? But where's my mouse? Oh, there it is. It's down like a little over $1. Just a little bit over $1. The level was looking good. It's like we're easing up. You can see like this is like as flat can be. Any kind of volume would either, hey, take me out of this trade right now, or potentially have me double down. But yeah, they're doing what they need to do. It's like that's one of the annoying things about getting in things early. Is like if they just decide, hey, we're not going to have any volume today, or if we're just going to make it go sideways. That's just what it is. All right, Apple was an upside play. Here, let's see real quick. Oh yeah, they did push through both levels. They just took off without reason. Hold up. But yeah, there's like no reason. No reason. Like they didn't tap into anything. Let's see what. It's like yesterday. It's like okay, they were looking at the 200 moving average. You said what contract did I buy? I had a $97 call, but it looks like I'm probably about to cut out of it. Yeah, I think I might have to cut out. Let me look at this on a 1 hour real quick. You know, when in doubt, zoom out. Let me take this back up to the dollar. What's today? Today's a 24. Market opens back again on the 27th. Bro, volume is like dead, non-existent. Bro, shoulda. All right, so looking back at this trade, there was an opportunity to take profit on it. It hit like 50%, but then it just stopped. It was very quick too. It was like over here. That's very annoying. So here, let me see how much it's going for. All right, it's down like 80%. It's like I don't know right now if I cut it out or just leave it because it's like there is great potential for this, and it's like I still see the wick on the 4 hour, so the next candle can be like nice. But also, I'm working with a small account, and it's like, what's the move? I think realistically, I'm gonna just risk it, like leave it here, knowing I have enough to make another move. But it looks like it's not going anywhere. Like honestly, it doesn't look like it's gonna do anything good today. Oh, hold up. I see Tesla at a level 2. So yeah, as of right now, I'm gonna hold on to the Robinhood. I see the dollar starting to come down, but I also see them starting to play games. So I have no idea. Like they're bringing Robinhood down. Robinhood doesn't look good right now. But also, since it's like 15 cents right now, I kind of see it as, hey, it's gone. Or $15 for the contract. The trend is down. I don't just want to hop in on it. All right, Tesla pushed to a new low. Bro, SpaceX is at 112. Bro, hold up. BBAI is at. Oh no, it's not down like I thought it was. Okay. It's down, but it's not like down like crazy. Hold on. Is there a way to change the expiration? Yeah, it's called rolling. So if you want to roll, you can pay more money to go into the following week. I don't want to do that because I only trade this account on Fridays. Like, so where I'm at, I am taking a gamble on this contract, and that's kind of like everything. There is probabilities. There is a chance that the contract can go up to where I initially thought it would. And it's like, even if this contract comes down to like 1 cent, if we get that push before like the last 30 minutes of the market close today, then it's cool. But as of right now, I'm just gonna accept the fact that this contract could go to zero. And this is a reality of something that happens. Like it's like whenever I take a trade, I put in a risk where I am willing to lose. Like I'm willing to lose all of it. Especially when you trade a zero DTE, it's like stop losses don't do well because they're very much momentum based and time based. And since there's like no more time left on them, there's not really much hope there. All right. So yeah, Robinhood is not looking good. I'm gonna say it's probably wisest to cut out of that. But 4 hour wise, it does look good. The next level from where it's at is going to be about $92. But there's also like no volume on it. The volume on Robinhood outside of that first like low. Okay, let's see. You said you think if Robinhood hits orb at, it's possible. Do you see any signs that give you confidence in Hood, or are you just cool with, yeah, I'm cool with taking the loss if it goes further? It looks like it's going down. All right, so I'm thinking I want. Hold up. What's the next level on Tesla? Because Tesla looks like it's losing this. Yeah, we look like we might sell off. I would like to ride something, but I want to like feel. I also don't want to ride because we're like pulling back on the dollar. But I also need to be. I need to be surgical with this money I have left, which is still plenty. I just need to take care of it. Higher bit crew, love the new challenge / series. I appreciate you, family. Appreciate you. So I'm still in hood, but yeah, it's looking like something to get out of. You said Apple, so Apple's in the uptrend. So I try to trade with the trend. Yeah, cut out of Robinhood, Tesla, 2025 August levels. Bought a $60 put on Apple right now. Hey, make sure y'all understand that the market can still move sideways. Like it doesn't always have to go in one direction or the other when y'all are doing it. So yeah, try to get like a trend. All right. So I kind of I want to see here. Let me look at the SPY. It's like I might want to go for some downside. All right, so we got a magnet on the SPY for 740. Hold on, let me get the cues back. Let's go to the 15. I want to see if we can get confirmation. If we get confirmation in any direction, the SPY is not as clear today. But yeah, if we get confirmation in any direction on the cues, that might be something. Honestly, Robinhood is giving downside confirmation, or it has on the 15. Let me see what the puts look like. Here, I'm going to actually close out this call. Yeah, because this candle right here is giving confirmation. So I'm out of Robinhood at like, I think I got 8 cents back from that. But I can't use that for this. So I just took my first L on this challenge. Or in this account, period. Yeah, I'm not just gonna like jump back in. You said SoFi coming on down. If Apple gets confirmation, think it'll go up. You said, do I think SoFi? Nah. If it's pushing past that level, it's coming down. So SoFi here, I'm gonna switch this chart in the middle. So the trend is down. It looks like we're coming down more, but also setting up for upside. Like I believe we could bottom out and find a good point to get in today. I don't think it'll happen on this stream. So as of right now for the challenge, I'm leaning towards us having an L for the day, but we'll see what comes of it. Let's see. Oh, I was about to change this candle. Let's see. Hold up. Swap that back to regular candles. Let's go up to the 4 hour for now. All right, let's see. Oh, let's see. Says stuck in the hood. Yeah, something like that. Here, let's here, take this to SoFi. Where's SoFi? Yeah, SoFi. This could end up sweeping, but we'll have to see. All right, so the Qs looks like it could confirm on this candle. We got one more candle till we know if it confirms. Let's see. Can't even sell my contract. Is it that cheap now? What is it, the 97? We grabbed the 97 call. You should be able to sell your contract right now. If you got the same contract as me, you should be able to sell it for the same price I did. It's going for, the ask is 9, but if you try to sell it for 7, it should go through. You might need to replace your order, but you should be able to sell your Robinhood contract right now. Says SPY not moving in it. It's not at the moment. I don't know how the day is going to go for it, but it's not right now. 740 is a magnet for it today. Here, let's see. Didn't do hood because I wasn't seeing entry for a call. Did Tesla IWM? You get calls or puts on them. Apple is a safety stock. War threats of bombing. Apple up, up, up. SoFi, $5 call. We ride. Oh, that's wild. Propelling with the spread. Wait, hold it. Probably with the spread. Grab the $20 contract. So $100 strike. You said, what do you mean by it's the magnet? So when I say the magnet, I'm looking at the gamma exposure. I have a video about it. Let me see. Let's see. Just show you what it looks like. But it's just the level that price should be drawn to. So even if it's away from it right now, there is likely like we're being drawn to it. Let's see where we at. All right, so where's it at? Where is it at? All right, so I got a video like right here. Hold up. Right here, it's called How to See Gamma Exposure for Free. Most traders can't. So just gonna accept my L. Yeah, that's part of trading. Not every day is a W. Hey, look, it's trying to move up a little bit right now, but we'll see. Look, SPY's trying to move up. These market makers are good at what they do. Hey, what's up, Spencer? Spencer? Just logged on. What was the trade? So I just exited a trade, Spencer. I think it's the first one I've lost for this challenge, so you did good coming late. Everything major, top of the morning. You said, are we looking for it to bounce or drop below? We're trying to see. Hey, trying to see. I'm looking for clarity. Cause y'all, it's like we got the dollar pulling back. If I can see like a good little, like if we get like just good movement on something, shoot, I'll go in. But on something that's like if we get clear movement, we're not really getting that right now. Sarab, nah, you're all good. You're all good. I took the trade myself. It looked good anyway. Like that's something like I would have got. I think it's just the market. But one thing I do see the trend is down. Like just on the day, I think the overall trend. It's like honestly, I should be looking more to trade this down. I do think this is a good level on Robinhood though. Hold up, what did I just do? It's a good level on Robinhood. I'm gonna see what happens over here. It's like if we're able to pull back to this level, shoot, I'll drop here. Let me go back to a 4 hour. Actually, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna leave Robinhood alone just for the just because I just got burned from them. I'm not gonna like immediately hop back in that. That's how you slide into an over trading situation. So I'm gonna just go through, see if anything feels good. Hey, we got a double bottom on the SPY. Yeah, it looks like we're in positive territory. I'd like to see if we can get above if we can get above oh maybe like 740 or so. We might be able to get some momentum. It'd be cool to see if we can actually like get good continued movement down on this dollar as well. Might be able to just hop in some SPY momentum. But as of right now, nothing's looking good. SPY is looking like it could show some potential, but not quite there yet. You said keep an eye on Apple. Yeah, I'll throw Apple right here. Oh wait, that's AMD. All right, so we got Apple at 330. So we do have like there is like some small resistance right here. Here, let's also check. I feel like Apple's probably very positive gamma right now. All right, so yeah, we got a wall on Apple for this 330 level. Let me look to the next day. Like Apple is likely going to be drawn to this 330 level. Monday is still drawn to that level. Let's check Wednesday. Still this level for Wednesday. So I think it could push up a little bit, but I think it's like really drawn to that level. Feel like the higher ups ain't like how we was cashing a lot last month, so they decided. No, that's how the market moves, and then it's like after it's like, oh, they're not going to move it as much, bro. They're gonna speed it back up, and then once after they speed it back up, they're gonna slow it back down. It's just something they do. We're also in earnings season, so it's like they like to have these catalysts. So we'll see a lot of moves after hours as well, which is something that can be a little annoying. But yeah, I see the dollar kind of moving down a little bit. So I think should I get in something? It won't be a same day. I'll probably get a Monday if I go for something, but I still want to get above a certain level. You said Marvel thoughts. You'll have to tell me what you're looking at Marvel for, cause it's like that's one I know I'm not gonna trade. Um, like I know I'm not gonna trade Marvel. Yeah, it doesn't even like there's like a small bit of liquidity there, but like looking at it, the trend is down on it. So until we get to the back of the range, the full range on it, the top end of the range is up here at 228, and the bottom is down here at 178. Until it gets down there, I'm not really too interested in it. All right, hold up. We got the spies testing like the 200 moving average on the 2, and we got the dollar dropping. All right, so yeah, we'll see how this goes. Take another chance. Wait a moment though. Yeah, that dollar dropping though. All right, I think I'm gonna go for it. Oh, hold up, the contract I was just about to get got a little bit too pricey. All right, so I just picked up a 741 call and I paid 81 cents per share. All right, so yo, that's my chance. That's what I'm trying to do. So 741 spy call, and I paid 81 per share. 41, and I grabbed a 0 DTE. 741 spy 0 DTE call. There we go. That's what I grabbed. All right, so it looks like we might have some momentum. Let's see if we can hold this dollar moving down, and let's see if we can hold above this 200. I'm gonna have to be careful with this one. Watch this one very closely. But yeah, let's see if we can keep the momentum. We're testing some levels, so yeah, up like 2% on it. We'll see what the SPY wants to give us today. This can make a big difference, but we'll have to see. All right, so up 8% on it. Bro, let's get this dollar dropping. All right, so up like 22% on it. Up 25% on it. All right, pushing up a little bit. Let me also make sure I have the gamma up. All right, so the call wall has moved to 742. Let's see if we can mess with this pre-market resistance at all. See if we can get, okay, we got the 13 EMA on the 2 minute crossing above the 48. That's a good look. All right, up 34%. But the dollar is like kind of pushing back up. Let's see how it closes. Up 35% right now. All right, so this next candle opened below the 48 on the dollar. All right, pulling back, so down up 22% on this contract. Well, let's see if we can take this level. Let's see if we can get these Heiken Ashies like moving. SPY trying to move into the pre-market high. Up like 35%. Up 38%. Up 49%. All right, yo, it's almost in the money. Let's see if we can get in the money. If we can, we can actually potentially get back break even or go positive on the day. But yeah, there is resistance at that 741. So right now, okay, still see the dollar trying to come down, which is that's a good look. Want to see this continue to try to move down. See the Heiken Ashies continue to try to push up and really see what happens there. Up 35% on the contracts currently though, but I still see the dollar trying to continue its move. Yeah, we still got that resistance though. Dollar's still trying to do its thing, but yeah, we're really seeing this resistance right here. If we can get through 741, it's like, ooh. Yes, I'm in the call that I just put in the chat where it says 741 SPY call. That is what I got. Yes, that is what I'm in. I am writing a 741 SPY call. And honestly, like I'm gonna say, if y'all have money on y'all's accounts and y'all are trying to take similar trades, bro, please spread the contracts out. Don't necessarily get it for today. Like if you're using like a massive amount of money, like get more time on your expirations. Like you will still make bank trading the movement. Um, but like whenever you get it for the same day, bro, the market makers they'd be like, oh yeah, we're not gonna let that move happen, not today. And then also like when you get more time, you protect yourself as well. And then also you don't have to get the same strike as me. It's actually like I usually go by budget. I paid 81 cents per share. 81 cents per share for that contract. It's up 20.99%. Swing traded for a week. Hey, I'm gonna say like definitely take your profits. I'm not sure I would hold this for a week if I'm being honest because the trend is up on the spy. No. Depends on how much time you got on your contract. I would say like yo, if you gap up one day, yo, lock in your profits because the market is very back and forth, and like the trend is down. It's also up, but it's down at the same time. So lock in your profit. You said not leaving the casino till I get my money, but ooh, that is ooh. Don't like to hear that. Do not like to hear that. I hope you get your money back. But yeah, that's how your the casino gets your arm and your leg and gets access to things they shouldn't have access to. We'll just leave it at that. Bro, what was that noise? You said is that on the challenge? Yeah, I grabbed it. I grabbed it for the 100 to 1K challenge. We took an L today. This is my other one. Yeah, 741 SPY 0 DTE call. I paid $81 for the contract or 81 cents per share, however you want to say it. That is what I'm riding. Um, I'm hoping we can get above 741 because above that, I think we can. Yo, the dollar is dropping. It's looking like we should be able to, but yeah, I'm hoping we can get above 741 because above that, the contract really starts moving. Like any moves that we aren't taking right now, yo, I think that's all market makers. Like we should be moving up, but like they trying to hold it off, trying to make honestly like this situation. This is the situation where you get the like where it just like pops up, like when it's just like whoa, what's going on? All right, so I'm in the red now. I'm like $3 in the red. Can you also mention the price that you've taken? So if anyone, so I stopped doing that like directly in the chat because YouTube start whenever I put those in the same comment, YouTube would hide the comment. So that's why I just put which strike I got. So it's like because I do that, like if I put the strike price and I paid this much for it, YouTube will block that comment. But it was doing that during the week in the Freedom Charts Premium kind of streams. So yeah, I just put the strike. If somebody wants to follow behind me and like type the price I said I purchased it for, that's chill. But like y'all can help each other. Y'all can help each other. It's like it's actually more helpful if y'all type in what I say as opposed to me typing it. That way I can like focus on actually doing this. You said, can we re-enter again here if we didn't? Hey, that's up to y'all. What's being done here is like I'm not a financial advisor. I am somebody who is letting you see behind the scenes of how I trade. Like I'm not perfect. I legally cannot give like financial advice or anything like that. Like I'm not trained to do that. So I do want y'all to understand the responsibility falls on y'all. Like I'm not telling y'all to take these trades. I'm just sharing what I'm doing. So make sure you understand that before you copy a dude on the internet's trades. Cause remember that I'm a dude on the internet. I take bro. These landscapers are back. Oh, they're just blowing the grass, but it's loud. That mess is loud. Oh, I'm in the red now. Yo, we're pulling back. I'm feeling a little better though. Feeling a little better because I see this dollar dropping now. You said re-entered hood for $96 call. You said, do I do this full time or have? Oh, I definitely have other sources of income. Yeah, this is no. I'm gonna let y'all know if I didn't have other sources of income, I wouldn't be able to do this. I tried to do this on its own before, and it's like it went okay until it didn't. Like all it takes is for the market to make like one little change, and then it's like, oh, I make one loss, and then it's like, yo, when you lose, you can kind of go on a streak. Like some, oftentimes after you lose, the best thing to do is kind of like pause and like gather your thoughts. I'm able to do that quicker now, but it's like I think it is important, even if this is where you're getting like, even if you're making like full-time income, that you have other sources of income. All right, so we're pushing back up. Yeah, that dollar's not trying to lie, up like 45% on the contract now. Okay, it's in the money now. Let's go. Up 98%. Hey, we're green on the day. All right, there we go. 100%. Let's go. But what's up with this momentum? Come on. Push it on up. Let's go, family. 110, 11%. Hey, we went in on the day. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Trying to pull back. Trying to pull back. Hey, it's still there, though. It's still there. They're just playing games with it. SPY went up. Check your cons. They're definitely, yeah. I think y'all's I think there might be a slight lag, but all right. So we got some sellers up at almost 742. Here, let me go back to the gamma exposure. All right, so we still got that wall where I said it was. We're still hiking ashy, still pushing though, still pushing. All right, so we're coming back into it. All right, so up 79%. Bro, it did pop up a good little bit for a second. They said, hey, we trying to slow that down. All right, so trying to push it back up. We're in the money still. Let's see if we can get back into that. They're really trying to hold at this 741, but yo, should we be able to, like, say we continue pushing down this dollar and like get above 741? Yo, it could be all right. You said, what's my take profit? I'm watching the trend. Let's say take profit is right here. Hey, good stuff, Ken. Good stuff. But yeah, I'm watching the trend right now. Cause it's like I want to see how it does at 742, and it's possible. I believe it's possible for it to get to 741 or 44, but I'll see what is given. Pakistan and Iran in talks to institute more talks with U.S. initiated by China. Hey, that's good. That's good. That's positive. Appreciate the sharing of these curves. That makes me feel a little better too. That's probably part of why we're falling down on the dollar. Yo, we got like 15 minutes on the stream. All right, here, let's see. All right, so I sold out at 185 a share. It's still kind of moving up, but hey, we moved. Hey, we're green on the account. We moved forward. Hey, we moved up. Oh, actually, I guess it sold higher. Let me see where it sold me out at. Oh yeah, that account. Hey, it's up there now. But we're. I'll show y'all in a second. I'll pull it up for y'all so y'all can see it. But yeah, I'm out at 185 a share. Got 128% on that contract. It did what it needed to. Yeah, contracts up more now. Let me show y'all the account so y'all can see the struggle. So we took our first L in that account today. That's insane. Right here, what is it? The 100 to 1K. Let me share it with y'all real quick. All right, look at that. It's still pushing, but hey, we'll let it do what it does. That dollar is dropping. It's cool. All right, so this is the account today. So we started at 156, bro. We popped up to 189, and then blew, bro, down to 79, 76, and now, yo, 193.70. So, oh, it's not gonna show though. Okay, well, anyways, yeah. Wait, are we able to? How do I? What happens? But I don't know how to work Robinhood on the computer. But anyways, yeah, all time on the account. Hey, we've already pulled like $1,274 out of the account. All time it's up 1468. And yeah. We in this thing moving. Took our first L, but it's part of trading. And yeah, we did it. Alright, let's see. Alright, Palantir spiking a bit. Hood approaching 95. Oh, that it is. I'm just glad we were able to do that before 10:30 Central Time. Alright, Angelus, you said SMH Hood. Hey, I'm not too worried about it. We'll let Hood do what it does. How often am I trading the 100 to 1K? So that's gonna be every Friday or the last trading day of every week. Unless I'm traveling, but bro, if you wanna be here, just on the channel, like right below, there should be like a bell notification icon. Just click that and set it to all, and you'll get notifications whenever I go live. That was a good one. Hey, yo, it had to make up for that first trade. Robinhood, bro, it was taking a poop. Lavenderella, hey, thank you. Appreciate your good energy. Tech override, good stuff. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. All right, bro. God is good. That's like, bro. Where's the dude who? Oh, QZQX 3047. Were you able to do anything with that? I'm just curious. Make me a sandwich. Appreciate you. What's up? Was up, then down, now back up, closing molar roller. You got a molar roller flip? Hey, that's cool. Yeah, I see the Samsung flip ones. Those look kind of cool. But yeah, family, that is the last one for today. I'm trying to be done with this. I'm not messing with that mess, man. They be doing too much. Let's see. Let's see. If you can remember what you said, if you can remember, what did I see to make me pick the option? So it was based off my budget. So yo, I got a video. It's called like, I think it's called Hack for Finding the Perfect Option Strike. Like if we look over here in this playlist, this video, Hack for Finding the Perfect Option Strike.
It was good.
This will show you how I let me see. Does this bring us
It
here?
was good.
Yeah.
In this video,
I'll paste this in the chat. This shows how I find my options contracts. How I pick my strike prices and everything. So I initially, like, I was looking at the possibility. I think I got in about right here. And I think I had noted, or actually, I guess over here. No, I didn't get in over. Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, I did. I had noticed, like, yo, we crossed on the EMAs. No, actually, I think I might have gotten over here. It was like somewhere like pre 740. It was pretty close. I saw the dollar dropping. I saw that we were above the 13 EMA on the 2 minute. I saw that we had positive. No, yeah, it was over here because I remember it went sideways for a moment. But yeah, the market is playing the games today for sure. Hey, higher big group crew. Have a blessed day, family. Whipsaw action. Hey, I'm cool with the whipsaw action as long as they give us movement. It's like whenever they do that stuff where it's like, hey, we're just barely moving. Like whenever it's like this, bro, that I can't do anything with that. All you can do, like, if you want to sell some iron condors, might be something there. All right, so also to those of you trading Apple, Apple is pushing higher right now. And just want to let y'all know the call wall on the SPY has moved up to 745. SPY does have some positive gamma on it. Let's see. All right, thanks. I'll be sure to check it out. Watched it come back to the level you bought in and shoot up less than 5 minutes later. Hey, when they give us good when they give us good price action, yo, we're here to take it. Robinhood, I hope this comes back just for the sake of my technical analysis. Like I see like, oh, we got this wick. I would expect and hope that like we at least get a move here. I'm gonna set an alert for 100 on Robinhood just for the good measure. Like I want to see when it comes back to that level. It's like I wouldn't be surprised if that Robinhood ends up in the money later today, but I guess time will tell. Monica, anyone using Robinhood have an issue with not getting alerts on price change? I feel like I used to try to use Robinhood alerts and I their alerts didn't really alert me. That's what I feel like. But I can't say I haven't used Robinhood alerts in years. Do I think Spy the 745 is realistic for today? So I was targeting that 744 to 745 range on the Spy. I think it's possible. I want to see it. I would want to see it get above this. I think this area where it's at right now. Yeah, I would like to see like comfort above this 742.55 because this is still an area it can sell off. But if we get like a confirmation candle above this, like a solid candle close above this, then yeah, I think so. It's looking like it. Like we got a good drop on the dollar. Like I think that drop on the dollar outpaced the move that we have gotten so far. So I think it's very well possible. Yeah, thank you. Entered too early, but earnings call is. Are you talking about on Robin? I didn't even realize that. That's the thing about like right now being earnings season. That affects things. Definitely affects things. Robinhood alerts are lagged. Yahoo Finance is better. Bro, I get mine on TradingView, and I'll say 80% of the time they're good, but the ones like right in the morning, they're not on TradingView. But beyond the ones that are like right at open, yo, they're good. Market's been choppy. Hey, for real, bro. Yeah, we haven't been getting the money that we should be getting this week. Like I don't know. I say it's kind of meh. Like the money, like we weren't getting money on stream this week. There were opportunities. It's like if I took profit right away, it's like I go up like 30, 40%, and it just turned like without saying anything. I'm like, oh, the trend's gonna continue, and it's like nope. And it's like it would turn fast. So it's like, oh, okay. And I just be trying to wait for it. And yeah, this week was not very, very kind. Hey, we're trying to push up a little bit, push back into those highs. Um, hey, we're gonna wrap up here. We got like 2 minutes. So here, let me start by saying this now, family. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through, joining the stream with me, family. I know you didn't have to be here today, but you chose to hop on the stream with me. Hey, one thing I do want to ask though, hey, smash that like button, family. I see there are 92 of you on. We got 56 likes. What's up, family? Bro, hey, it's absolutely free. Yo, smash the like button, family. Appreciate that. Thanks in advance. But yeah, with that being said, family, appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through. I hope each and every one of y'all has a blessed weekend. Be safe. Stay good. And yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Lavenderella. Peace out, Tech Override. Peace out, Make Me a Sandwich. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, Adam Hill. Peace out, Iron Big Crew. Peace out, Monica. Peace out, Alan. Savage. Oh, Savage L. Peace out, Marcus. Peace out, Timothy. Peace out, D Skirt. I appreciate that. Hey, I see some of y'all coming through with the likes. That was a nice little 20 like boost. Hey, still a little off, but it's cool. Who else? Peace out, King. Peace out, Ahmed. Peace out. Okay, yo. Yeah, so looks like I'm closing out seeing 71 likes. But yeah, with that being said, family, hope each and every one of y'all has a blessed weekend. Matthew Manuel signing off. Oh, peace out, Macy. Peace out, Gauss Maston. Peace out, TB. Yes, and with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Oh, shoot, some of y'all taking back the likes. Hey, I guess that's how it's closing. See y'all, family.